Good news, I got my vaccination card and it shows both doses of the vaccine. Don't worry everyone, I didn't cut in line for this because the date's going to throw a lot of people off. It says 8/27, August 2020. So that's months before the vaccine was even approved. Back in November, I told all of you I signed up to be part of Moderna's trial to find out if the then experimental vaccine worked or if it was even safe. It came with a condition. I couldn't know what I got till now.
Gonna get some coffee in. I have it in my GPS, and I am going to the clinical trial.
August 2020 seems like a lifetime ago. Moderna needed 30,000 people nationwide to sign up to get their then still experimental vaccine. A vaccine to end the pandemic and protect people seemed like a distant hope. Many were skeptical. I got my vaccination. I got my blood drawn. I'm fine. I'm doing pretty okay. I don't know if I've gotten the actual vaccine or the placebo. I'm one of 500 people in Las Vegas who signed up. The trial had trouble recruiting people of color. Moderna promised immediate medical care if something went wrong. And I would get the vaccine at the end of the trial, no matter what. Number 2, I'm okay. I'm good. Had a checkup, blood pressure, more blood work. Lasted a couple hours. How do I feel? A little sore. Kinda like before, same spot. I experienced a sore upper body on the first dose. On the second, chills with no fever, showing what I later learned was a stronger immune response. I always suspected I got the real thing. I got a lot of questions and a lot of comments like, do you have horns and a tail now? Are you okay? Are you feeling okay? Are you sure you're okay? And months later, are you still okay? I am very active. I go to the gym regularly. I am always on the go, busy job. I wouldn't be able to do any of that if I wasn't feeling 100%. For months, I've been living in a vacuum, so to speak, because I'm the only person I knew out there. I hadn't met or spoken to anyone in the trial, so I didn't know how they were doing, what their initial side effects were. Staff at the clinic also checked on me weekly and monthly to make sure I was okay and drew my blood to check my antibodies. December 15th, a Food and Drug Administration panel confirmed Moderna's vaccine was 94% effective and presented no safety concerns. December 18th, the FDA green-lighted emergency use. Doses came into Nevada the following week. It's 5 months to the date. I'm finally getting my results. Picture yourself being in my position. For 5 months, you think you had the COVID-19 vaccine, but you never 100% knew. Moderna fulfilled its promise. I could finally get my vaccination card. It took 5 months and dozens of hours of personal time as a private citizen helping researchers. I got my results, and I am vaccinated as of 8/27. The mood in there, people are happy. One of the doctors in there said it's like Christmas, finding out what everyone got all along. Everyone's talking about the trip they want to take now. And a lot of people are asking me, so what does this mean? You've gotten both shots. Do you get to not wear your mask and not social distance anymore? The answer is no. Because I've gotten both shots, I'm now less likely to transmit COVID-19 and get really sick. But there is still a chance I could get others sick. Only once 75% or more of the population gets the vaccine, then health officials say we achieve herd immunity and then we can lessen these social distancing measures. I'm choosing, by the way, to remain in the study unblinded because we still don't know how long this vaccine is going to last, and they are going to continue using my blood to find out. John.
And I can confirm you have no horns or a tail. You are the same Jaclyn I knew before the pandemic. I do have a question, though. With all these COVID-19 variants out there now, is Moderna looking ahead at booster shots?
They are. Moderna does say, and they do believe, that their vaccine is effective against the South African and the UK variant. But they're still creating a booster in the future, not just for those variants, but just to find out in general how long this is going to last. I'm told because it's a very strong shot. It could be years, but we don't know at this point. And so being in the trial and essentially 6 months ahead of everyone else, I and everyone else who's still involved is going to give everyone a heads up of when they are going to need another shot, John.
All right, we look forward to that. And come visit the rest of us still standing in line, will you?
No, I am really, really glad that I helped out, and I really do hope everyone gets their chance very soon. And everyone does get it when they get the chance, because we all need to have it when we all need to get it to be able to achieve that herd immunity and get back to normal.
And we are looking forward to that day, too. Thank you.